Well, I'm Major Meek and my wife Jeannie,
I'm Jeannie.
and we had a roof leak, so we went to our agent at Allstate and asked them to tell us what we should do next to fix it. It was leaking inside, and there was clear damage to the ceiling and the wall, particularly in the kitchen, and so we called them and they said, well, we'll process a claim, and they sent the adjuster out, and the adjuster went around and looked at everything, and I asked him what he was going to do, and he said, well, we're going to pay you to repair your roof. And I said, well, I think if you'll look more carefully, you'll find that the whole roof is in need of replacement, and I don't think I can successfully repair just where the leak is, because I think there's other spots on the roof that need repairing also. Same kind of damage, same roof. And he politely told me that I was listening to the roof salesman, and that they wanted to sell a whole roof, but that he certainly wasn't going to recommend that I'd have to just repair it in certain places. And I said, I didn't know you could repair a wood roof successfully. And he said, oh yes, you can. There's lots of people that do that. I asked him to give me the name of one. He didn't. And so we went back to Allstate and said, the adjuster's been here, and I don't agree with what he's done, but in any event, would you please tell me a roofer that I could use? Do you know anybody that you could recommend to come out and repair the roof, which you guys are telling me can be done? And they said they would be glad to do that, and the next thing I knew, I heard from Right Now Roofing. James Roberts called and made an appointment to come out very quickly, and he looked at it and he said, you're not being treated right. This is not right. You're going to get it should be totaled. You've got a bad roof here, and it's so bad that I don't even want to crawl up there and walk on it, because I'll do even more damage to the roof just walking on it. It's in that bad a shape. We didn't know that, of course, but until he told us, and the rest is history. He told us what he could do, and I said, that sounds good. He said, I think I can get your roof totaled. And I said, well, I couldn't, and if you can, then you certainly deserve the business, so have at it. I had my doubts. I didn't know whether he could do it or not, but lo and behold, he did. So that's our story. We're very high on James and Right Now Roofing. He's done a great job, and so far, we haven't got the shingles on yet, but we're gonna see that in short order here. So we're very pleased.